Hi, I'm Dr. Arsalan and today we are going to solve the MCQs on electron transport chain. I suggest you that before going to solve these MCQs, you should go through my lecture on the electron transport chain, link of which is given in the description box as well as at the end of this video. This lecture will help you to learn all the basic concepts and mechanism of electron transport chain in detail. Also, don't forget to share that how many MCQs you are able to solve during this lecture in the comments box. So the first MCQ is dash ATPs are produced from the oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation is the process in which phosphates are loaded on the ADP molecules in the presence of energy and ATPs are formed. So the process of formation of ATPs from the ADPs and phosphate groups is called phosphorylation. This energy is derived from the redox reactions. Asking about that how much ATPs are produced during the oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation is also referred to as electron transport chain or electron transport system. The given options are 50%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. So the correct option here is 60%. 60% of the ATPs are produced during the electron transport chain or oxidative phosphorylation, while the rest of 40% are produced during the glycolysis and Krebs. Second question is, dash is the second complex of electron transport chain. You know that there are 4 protein complexes involved in the electron transport chain, and these complexes transfer the electron from one molecule to other molecule, and in this way the subsequent oxidation reduction reaction takes place and release energy. This energy is utilized in the formation of ATPs. So all of these 4 complexes involved in the electron transport chain are written here. He is asking about the second complex. The given options are NADH dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase, cytochrome BC1, and cytochrome oxidase. So the correct option is succinate dehydrogenase. The first complex involved in the electron transport chain is NADH dehydrogenase. Second one is succinate dehydrogenase. Third is cytochrome BC1. And the last and fourth complex is cytochrome oxidase. These complexes are all written in sequence presented in Roman numerals, like complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, and complex 4. Third question is, the cytochromes are located in dash of mitochondria. We know that the cytochrome molecules are made up of complexes, and these are located in the mitochondria. The questionnaire is asking about the site of cytochrome in the mitochondria. We know that the mitochondria is bounded by 2 membranes. The outer membrane is smooth, while the inner one is folded. This inner folded membrane is called cristae, and cristae contains the energy solution called matrix. So given options are matrix, inner membrane, cristae, and outer membrane. So this is simple and fact-based question. The cytochromes are located in the cristae of mitochondria. These are found in these folded regions of the mitochondria. These folded regions are called cristae, and the cytochromes are located in this cristae of the mitochondria. Fourth question is, the coenzyme Q is also known as. Given options are ubiquinone, static group, nucleotide, and ferroprotoporphyrin. The correct option is ubiquinone. Ubiquinone is a Latin word which is derived from ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means that is found everywhere, because these coenzyme Q are present in all type of cell of animals as well as plants. So therefore they are called ubiquitous or ubiquinone. The other options are prosthetic group. Prosthetic group means non-protein part which is required for enzyme activity. Non-protein component of enzyme. Nucleotide is the basic unit of nucleic acids, and ferroprotoporphyrin is the synonym of cytochromes. So the correct option is ubiquinone. Last question is based on the sequence of electron acceptors. The question is asking the correct sequence of electron acceptors in the electron transport system or electron transport chain. Given options are coenzyme Q, cytochrome C, cytochrome B, cytochrome A, cytochrome A3. Second option is coenzyme Q, cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, and cytochrome A3. Next is coenzyme Q, then alphabetic order is there. Cytochrome A, cytochrome A3, cytochrome B, and cytochrome C are none of these. Surely there is the sequence of electron acceptors in this question, so none of these is excluded. You should keep in mind that during electron transport system or electron transport chain, the complexes are the protein components of the electron transport chain. These deliver or transfer the electrons from one molecule to the other molecule, causing subsequent reduction and oxidation and releasing the energy. This energy is utilized in the synthesis of ATPs. Therefore, the correct sequence during this transfer is firstly the NADH and FADH2. These release or lose electrons, and these electrons are collected by the coenzyme Q. Then this coenzyme Q delivers the electron to the cytochrome B, then cytochrome C, then cytochrome A, and finally cytochrome A3. Then these electrons are accepted by the oxygen molecule at the end, and water molecules are synthesized. And the oxygen is called final acceptor of the electrons, and the water molecule is synthesized at the end. So the correct sequence is coenzyme Q, cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, and cytochrome A3. Then electrons are delivered to the oxygen molecule. Hydrogen or proton is also received there, and water molecules are synthesized. Water are also synthesized during the process of aerobic respiration. So these were some special MCQs for electron transport chain. You should also watch my lecture on electron transport chain to completely learn the mechanisms. I hope this video will help you a lot in your examination. Thank you.